Yes, sir. You already know this your boy B Hayes. We back with another one. Let's go ahead and get right into it. You know we don't like to waste nobody's time. Before we do that, let's give this video a thumbs up so it can reach more people. Today we'll be touching bases on AMC Entertainment. That's ticker symbol AMC. We're going to just be doing a brief summary update on the stock. We done touched bases on the stock multiple times on the channel. So if you're new, we'll give you an entry point if you looking to get in on AMC. And we'll just go over the details on what we think AMC is headed in a short term, medium term, and long term. So let's go ahead and check it out, y'all. AMC Entertainment. We closing the day and after hours at around about $10.15-16. We up today 4.3%, and after hours we fell 1.2%. So let's look at the chart, guys. If we look on a 1-day chart around lunchtime, we fell multiple times. We fell 3 times to around 9. We tested this 993 range, 993, 994. We've hit that range 3 times and we bounced off of each time. So we forming a nice support around $9.90. And we had a pretty, even though we didn't go to the moon and move hard today, it's still a good day. It's always a good day when you stay green on the day and you holding your gains. When we holding our gains, that's meaning we had a nice run up to 12. We hit $12 plus, but we still trading at $10, at $10 range. That's 50% up from what we got in at way back in $5.50 range. You up 50%. So we holding this gains high. That's good. That's very, very good for AMC. That's letting us know that we're still in a bullish momentum. So let's check it out, guys. We know we got a support down here at 993, around 990 range. So if we look back on the 1-week chart, I want to show y'all where, if anybody new and wanting to get in on this, that's where you will want to get in at. If right now this thing at 10.16, so if in the morning or pre-market or whatever you see this thing, I don't advise getting in at pre-market, never. So unless, different circumstances, we can go into all that, but different circumstances, yeah, pre-market. But you always want to wait till the bill open and get the figure of where the stock is going to be headed. So anyways, if we look on the 1-week chart, this 972 range, 990 where you, if you're new to this, where you want to get in at, around 990, about 990, 985. If it see it, you'll want to start adding to your position and getting in on this. And if you see this thing pull back to $9.72, this is going to be our exit point, as far as like to save you from taking a big loss. So if you see this thing break a $9.71, you're going to exit. I want you to sell all shares immediately, because you can get them back. You can buy back in at a cheaper price, because if it break 971, I anticipating on this thing falling to around $8.80, $8.70. That's a whole dollar off, and you could save yourself $1 on that downfall and get back in around 880, 870. We most definitely not going back to the 5s. If we see 880 and don't hold, we could possibly see the 7s. But 880 is a nice form of support. I would start, if we break that 972. If we break that 972, be looking for that. So we'll just, everything will still be fine. We'll just sell our shares, re-enter when this thing consolidate around the 8s before the spike back up to 12. Now let's check it out. Let's check this out. Let's see where our resistance at. So today we hit a high about 1080 in pre-market. When we got a resistance points on the 1-week chart at 1075. So 1075, 1080ish, that's our resistance point. That's what we need to break through. We need to break through that 1080 so we can get back to the $11 and $12 levels that we was previously in. As soon as we break $10.80, we could shoot straight up to $11 and $12 range. And we could go retest that high that we hit on March 10th at $12.22. We'll retest that high. And after we retest that high, if we break through it, we can fly straight to $13.30. And $13.30 will be our last resistance point that we need to break through before we see the highs that we reached previously on the first run up when we reached $20. We need to break through $13.30 before we can reach that. So that's all I got for y'all this video. I just want to give y'all a quick update on AMC. You already know, if you like these type of updates, these type of predictions, all that good stuff, consider joining the family It's your boy B Hayes, and we out. We post stuff like this every single day.